Making money from YouTube used to be as simple as uploading great content, garnering millions of views, and earning a share of advertising revenue. Now, content creators have access to multiple ways to monetize their content. In addition to advertising, this can include corporate sponsorships from a major brand, fan funding, or merchandise sales. One lucrative form of advertising is brand sponsorship, also known in the digital marketing world as influencer marketing. A company will pay a content creator to promote a brand or product within a video. For example, early in her YouTube career, Snapchat and Twitter.4 Famebit, which is associated with YouTube, was acquired by Google and has been rebranded as YouTube Brand Connect. This is where Bulletproof video machines comes into play. You can now replicate our results as you walk through the Bulletproof video machine for the next couple of days and read and learn all the materials. You will have the confidence to finally take YouTube seriously and take it to new heights. And you need to realize, there is a secret that you need to know, and that secret is having the right knowledge and taking major action. Most people do not do this, and that is why they don't succeed. Here's why it's not working. The solution is simple. You don't have the right steps to make it work. And at this point, giving up on YouTube may feel like the better option than taking more punishment doing work that feels like running through a minefield blindfolded with a target drawn on your back. The truth is, if you haven't improved after trying out several new strategies and tactics and reading tons of books, then there's really nothing left to do other than take the plunge and master YouTube marketing. Here's how I can solve your YouTube success problem. I've got an answer that works. Here's the story. I had so many people who asked me how I did it. How did I finally start being successful each month on YouTube? I wanted to be able to answer a bunch of people's questions all at once. Then I had an idea. What if I create a YouTube training program to help answer people's questions and give them the knowledge they need to be successful? What if I show them exactly how to be successful on YouTube? Would that help people to achieve their goals? I think so. The first step to making money on YouTube is to join the YouTube Partner Program. Partnership gives content creators access to special tools, such as the ability to monetize their videos via Google AdSense. To qualify, content creators must have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of accumulated watch time over the prior 12-month period. YouTube monetizes videos via pre-roll, display, and other advertising formats. Advertisers pay based on clicks and impressions. YouTube gives the content creator 55% of this revenue and takes 45% for itself. Too. By using Bulletproof, YouTube career niche gets hundreds of thousands of searches per month between Google and YouTube. So click the link below where you would be directed to the web page for more info and provided the option to buy and upgrade and move and perform huge outcomes for your product.